Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable auto call recording on Android phone. If at the end of this video guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now guys, how do you turn off auto recording calls on Android phone, and what does this auto recording calls means? It means whenever you are receiving a call on your phone or your device, your conversation will be automatically recorded. If you want to turn off or disable that features on your Android phone, it's very simple. Then how do you do this? First thing is to open up your phone app. From here guys, see this setting icon, just click on it. Then when you click on it guys, you will see some features under these settings. You see flash for calls, we have auto call recording. You can see mine is enabled. That means whenever I receive a call on my device, the conversation will be automatically recorded. Then if you want to remove it or you want to disable it, just go ahead and click on this. When you click on this button, you see the color of the button has changed. That means whenever you receive or give out a call, your conversation won't be recorded anymore. So guys, that is how to disable auto call recording on Android phone. If you find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and turn on your notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.